Hello guys, this is Usman from eTutor9. This video is the second part for the practice session of number series. If you think your answer is correct, then please let us know in the comment section. Now please move towards the video.
Question 1. What is the next number in the series 1, 3, 5-9? Answer is D. 7. Question 2. What is the next number in the series 2, 3, 5, 7-13? Answer is A. 11. Question 3. What is the next number in the series 4, 6, 8, 9-12? Answer is B. 10. Question 4. What is the next number in the series 3, 10, 31, 94-? Answer is C. 283. Question 5. What is the next number in the series 2, 3, 4, 6, 6-8, 12? Answer is A. 9. Question 6. What is the next number in the series 3, 5, 9, 17, 33-? Answer is D. 65. Question 7. What is the next number in the series 1, 2, 4, 16-? Answer is D. 256. Question 8. What is the missing number in the series 3, 6, 11, 18, 27-51? Answer is A. 38. Question 9. What is the missing number in the series 4096, 1024 to 56-16, 4? Answer is B. 64. Question 10. What is the missing number in the series 1, 4, 9, 16, 25-19, 49, 64? Answer is C. 36. Question 11. What is the missing number in the series 12, 13, 25, 38-101, 164? Answer is D. 63. Question 12. What is the missing number in the series 2, 29, 4, 25, 6-8, 17? Answer is B. 21. Question 13. What is the missing number in the series 5, 7, 21-117, 215? Answer is B. 55. Question 14. What is the missing number in the series 8, 6, 9, 23, 87-? Answer is D. 429. Question 15. What is the missing number in the series 14, 28, 20, 40, 32, 64-? Answer is B. 56.
So guys, what was your score in this test? Please let us know in the comment section. Also subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share this video to your friends.